What's driving this surge? A perfect storm of positive news, a breakthrough trade deal, a tech revolution, and surging investor optimism. We'll break down the key drivers, trade, tech, and your confidence as an investor. Get ready, because this bull has room to run.
S&P 500 hits a new high. Booyah, what a day. The S&P 500, the benchmark for the American economy, just smashed its all-time high. We're in record territory, folks. This isn't a blip. It's a bull market roaring back. The market's message? The comeback is real and the future is bright. If you stayed the course, this is money in your pocket. This isn't just about numbers. It's about confidence and momentum. When the S&P 500 peaks, it signals strength from Wall Street to Main Street. This rally is broad, strong, and has legs.
This agreement removes uncertainty and gives businesses a clear path forward. Companies can now invest higher and expand without fear of trade war headlines. This stability is the foundation of the current rally. When governments step back, our companies thrive. This deal is a textbook win. It's a beautiful thing. Growth is back on the table.
The deal also opens China's market to our advanced tech, semiconductor software, and more. That means bigger revenues and profits for U.S. firms.
One huge part? The return of rare earth exports from China, vital for everything high-tech. With the supply chain secure, American tech giants can plan and innovate with confidence.
Let's talk about the deal of the century, the Trump-China trade agreement. For years, the trade war cast a shadow over the market. Now, that cloud has lifted. This deal isn't just about tariffs. It's a fundamental reset between the world's two biggest economies. It's a win for America, for our companies, and for your portfolio. The market sees this as a fundamental shift, not a one-time boost. That's why the rally is so strong and sustained. The future for American business looks brighter than ever. This is how we win the next decade. The market is all in.
The impact ripples through the economy. Big companies hire more, spend more, and fuel local businesses. It's a virtuous cycle of growth.
And with China's market open, U.S. firms can sell more high-tech goods than ever. More sales, higher earnings, and rising stock prices. This is a direct boost to corporate America.
With stability, companies can focus on innovation, better chips, smarter devices, and new breakthroughs. The resumption of rare earth exports is a green light for American ingenuity.
So, what does the deal mean for real companies? Everything. Before, rare earth shortages squeezed profits and stifled innovation. Now, supply is flowing, costs are down, and production is secure. The AI boom lifts the entire tech sector and beyond. Every industry is using AI to get smarter and more profitable. This is the most powerful market theme today. Don't bet against it.
If the trade deal was the fuel, artificial intelligence is the rocket engine. We're in a tech revolution. AI is here now, and it's creating trillions in value. Companies at the center, like NVIDIA, are seeing their stocks soar. NVIDIA's GPUs are essential for AI and demand is exploding. Their growth is off the charts. This is real, not hype. Microsoft saw the AI wave coming, partnered with OpenAI, and is integrating AI everywhere. This is transforming their business and driving massive new revenue. Microsoft's reinvention is a model for legacy tech.
Investors are pouring money into stocks, and the fear gauge, VIX, is at multi-year lows. Low fear means more buying, which pushes stocks even higher. Take a semiconductor company, cheaper rare earths, more sales to China, and surging AI demand. Their stock is up 50% or more, and that's happening across the market. Multiply that by hundreds of companies, and you see why we're at record highs. The optimism is real. The rally is broad. This is what a bull market looks like.
Corporate earnings are blowing past expectations thanks to the trade deal and AI. Profit margins are expanding and earnings growth is nearly double forecasts.
Let's get to the numbers. The S&P 500 didn't just break its record, it soared past it. Up over 20% this year. That's a bull market. This isn't just a few hot stocks. Over 70% of the index is above its 200-day average. That's broad, healthy strength.
Investors expect the positive trends to continue: AI, trade stability, and global growth. They're looking past short-term noise and focusing on a bright long-term picture. This optimism is fueling the bull market. Sentiment is strong and rising. The sky's the limit.
Now FOMO is stronger than fear. People are more afraid of missing out than losing money.
The wall of worry is gone. The news keeps getting better.
Confidence is contagious. When people see others winning, they want in.
This isn't irrational exuberance, it's rational optimism based on fundamentals. Investors see lower risks and higher opportunities.
Wall Street's mood has flipped from fear to optimism. A year ago, it was all recession and trade war talk. Now, it's growth and opportunity. The trade dispute is resolved, AI is booming, and earnings are strong. A trifecta of good news.
The road ahead is bright. Confidence is high, fundamentals are strong, and growth stories are real. Stay in the game, own the winners. Don't try to time the market. Believe in American innovation. The S&P 500's new high is just a milestone. There's more money to be made. Booyah!
Earnings will keep growing, powered by lower costs, new markets, and AI-driven productivity. There will be bumps, but use dips as buying opportunities.
We've hit a record high, but this isn't the end. It's the start of the next leg up. The drivers are still in place, a solid trade deal and an AI revolution. The trade deal is a long-term win, removing obstacles and providing priceless stability. The AI boom is just beginning. Companies like NVIDIA and Microsoft are leading, but every industry will benefit. This is a multi-decade trend creating trillions in new wealth. You need exposure to this theme. It's the biggest growth story of our time.